Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the dual surface burner element on your stove. The reason why you might have to do this is because the element is no longer functioning. For this repair, we'll be using a Phillips head screwdriver, a 1/4-inch nut driver, a pair of needle nose pliers, and a flathead screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the oven we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Frigidaire, and keep in mind ours might look a little bit different than what you've got at home, but the same technique should still apply. Just make sure you turn your gas off. So the first thing I'm going to do is open up our oven door. And we have 4 screws that we need to undo, all right up underneath the frame here. And now that we've got it unscrewed, what we're going to do is pull back slightly on this bottom panel so that we can get the metal tabs over the ledge that they're in front of, that they were screwed onto. And then we'll lift this up. And so now we're just going to put this piece of wood inside here and prop it up on the stove top there, so that it doesn't fall down on us while we're taking things apart. So this burner right here is our dual surface element burner, and in order to get it out, we're going to unplug everything first, and you might also want to just take a picture of where the wires are so you can remember where to put them when you put it back together. So now I'm going to undo all the wires first, and I'm just going to use a flathead screwdriver to pop them up because it's at such an awkward angle, can't really get my hands in there. And now we're going to have to take off the 2 screws that are holding this bracket on both sides. And I'm going to use a 1/4-inch nut driver in order to get those off. You're also going to want to hold this bracket up while you undo the screws, because as you undo them, you can see it's getting loose and you don't want to drop either of your elements down there. And now I'm going to use a pair of needle nose pliers, and I'm going to squeeze in on this tab, and then that should let me push the element out. There we go. You're also going to want to make note of where these tabs are. In this case, ours are at the 45 and the 9. So we're going to have to remove those to put those on the new one. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement element, and if you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So now we can put these clips back into place. And you're just going to line it up to where it was on the old one. And then just screw it down. Now I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver just to pull these tabs back out slightly so they lock into place real well when I put this back in. And now we're going to put our burner into place, and you'll see multiple holes here. So again, if you didn't take a picture of it earlier, this is another thing you just want to make note of, is where these tabs go into place. In our case, we had it in our hole next to the 5L and out here, but you can use a Sharpie or a pen or something as well to mark that if you need to. And now I'll just put the wires back into place, and again refer to the picture if you're not sure which position the wires go into. Now you'll take your wood out, and we'll gently set the stove top down, because all of those burners are made of ceramic and they're a little bit fragile if you drop it down like that. And now we just have to line up the guide screws with the holes in our stove top. Now we can screw the trim back into place. And now you can close your oven door and your repair is complete. Now we can turn our gas back on. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.